We start with 1 hour chart. Just I want to give a quick update. First of all, if we refer to our analysis in my last video, we mentioned we can put this one two in relative to each other as a one more as a correct flat for one more drop. And now what we see this is the one is going to give us a drop. And what I want to see that if we want to look for buy, we mentioned we can look for the reversal. Okay, but if this is a flat for one more drop, we don't need to wait for the breakout of this low before we get the reversal for buy. As long as we get the drop, any reversal, we will take the buy. Okay, because the way it's moving is supposed to move, maintain the uptrend, not the downtrend. Quite because the hit BTC is quite different. It's not following the other charts. Okay, but technically we can see this flat, and we're looking for the down move. Okay, and this is what we can see here. May the next hour the price reverse. Okay, anyway, as I mentioned, even if the price drop for long term, we're looking for a reversal to look for buy. That means we need to see any reversal point. But for the reversal point, we don't need to wait for the breakout of this previous low. If the price drop, previous low is good. But if not, as long as this one give us a drop, any reversal, we will take the trade. Okay. But first of all, we move to higher time frame. We want to see how we can look for the chart. As you can see, based on daily chart, we don't have anything to discuss. The only thing is the way it's correcting is doesn't give us any information for trade. And we move to forward chart. It's still based on forward chart, we can look at this one as a correction. That's why the best thing is we get one more drop, and even if the price retests the previous low, it's better confirmation for us because we can put this one in relative to this as a running flat. Then any reversal, it can give us a really good trade setup. Okay, now we want to see whether this is the start of the down move or not. In this case, we move to lower time frame, and as we can see, even based on this one, we have 1 2 3. Okay, if this one there is a continuation is good for us, then we can expect the price drop. Any reversal will take the trade, but right now we don't have any trade setup to look for buy. If I move to 15 minute, okay, as this is what we can see, then what I want to say is that from now, if we get any reversal either with a sharp move or flag, or we can look for buy, or we can have entry above this. Okay, having entry, we prefer to put entry here. I think it's be better to put entry. If we want to have entry above the top, we try to put entry around 0.3, okay, which is this one. And in case the price sharply reverse, we can tag. But if we want to have entry at the 0.3, what we want the price, if I make it 0.3, what we want in case the price reverse sharply, at least we can catch the trade. And we want the price break, tag, break, and break the entry. But if we see and continue, we see the price tag, this is not moving, we in within the first or second hours, we take out the trade. Okay. And the best thing is if this one turns to deeper correction, even retest the previous low, then any reversal, we take the trade from there. Anyway, if we, as we mentioned, we're looking for buy, any reversal, or we can have entry above this, can be an option to look for trade. But if this one turns to deeper correction, for example, retest the previous low, which I mean by previous low, at least retest 0.255, then we cannot use this in trade. Then we have to look for the reversal with the trade setup. Okay. And how about if this one drop? Can we look for sell? The only times we can look for sell if there is a continuation with the flag, maybe we can look for short-term sell. But any sell will be short-term within this correction. Mostly we're looking for the reversal to look for buy. Anyway, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.